Hello and welcome to the 30-day challenge presented by Earner's Classroom. In this module, we're going to be talking about building websites for a living. Keep in mind you can review the previous modules for better context and more information, along with a list of resources that we personally recommend throughout the 30-day challenge. So why build websites? Well, there are currently 800 plus million websites available on the internet currently, so we can say that there are two types of people in the world, those who own a website and those who don't. Most of those sites might have been built just for hobby purposes. They could be poorly monetized, and most importantly, they hardly get any traffic. So while it is cool, quote unquote, to have a website, the aim of this course is all about building authority sites that get visitors and earn you money. We're not making any income claims here. There's no guarantee that you will actually make any money, but you will learn the methods that I have personally used in the last 10 years. I have invested a lot and wasted a lot of time and money. I've done a lot of trial and error, but you can learn from my mistakes, and that's what this is all about. And keep in mind, of course, there are many ways of earning money online, even without building websites, but having the skills of website development will open up so many avenues for you down the road in your career. For example, you could even work as a local consultant and develop websites for, let's say, your local chiropractor and bring in new leads. So there's many possibilities here. So first off, I want to talk about the type of sites available out there, the different categories, and then we're going to do a quick review of those and show some use case examples. First and foremost, there is the niche website. This is personally my favorite type of website because there's so much to be learned from a niche site that I would highly advise everyone and anyone to start with a niche site. Once you go through the process of building a niche site, you would be able to really build any other the type of sites that we talk about here today. With a niche site, we can use almost any type of monetization method and also drive traffic using numerous amounts of traffic strategies, and that's what's so versatile about a niche site in itself. For example, Amazon sites. Amazon sites they're essentially a niche site that focuses on making sales using Amazon. So something that would use the Amazon affiliate program. So let's say you make a site all about photography, and then you happen to drive traffic to your articles and all that because it's about photography, a very specific topic. However, the sales and the way you make money may be using and selling equipment through Amazon and using that Amazon affiliate as your back end. Next up, there's a auto blog, and an auto blog, think of it as websites that you use a script or plugin to post automated content, thus auto blogging it. This is an autonomous site that typically will aggregate a lot of content and post it around a specific topic. So think, for example, about a news site. That may be a site that, or a news aggregate that will go out there and find all of the headlines or articles pertaining to a specific topic, let's say audio, for example. And it'll post all these links and stories about audio-based stories, new microphones, things going on in the sound space, headphones, so on and so forth. And it'll aggregate all of those together. Next up is the web store. This is a very, very popular type of site out there, e-commerce site that may be selling physical products or affiliate products, or for that matter, even digital products out there on the web. So you may be selling things that you made, for example. You may be selling products that other people made and you're getting a commission, again, through affiliate marketing. Or, of course, through e-commerce, you can be selling digital goods. You can be selling, videos. You could be selling services, graphic design services, or whatever it may be. Multiple ways, of course, as long as you're selling something physical, digital, or affiliate-based products. Local websites, these are sites that are built for local businesses. So for example, you may have a real estate business, you may have you may be a chiropractor, so you may be promoting your service or business in your local area, of course, or your chain of businesses throughout specific places. Coupon sites, these are sites essentially where people and companies post coupons. So it may be deal or promo-based sites where you can go and get savings on specific things, and again, you earning a commission based off of that. Very, very popular as well. And basically the idea here is to help people save on certain products and maybe built around a specific topic, so on and so forth. Classified ads. Classified ads are like services like Gumtree or Craigslist. Think about your newspaper, for example, how it has classified ads in a certain section. This is basically the same thing for the internet. It allows people in specific areas to go and post in their local listings. They can be selling things, products. You can be selling services, of course, all to people in your local area. So obviously this is of interest to people who live around you and may be looking for specific things. Now, all of that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at the examples of some of the sites that we just talked about so you get a better idea when it comes to building these websites for a living, what some of these sites may look like. So let's get started here. First and foremost, let's talk about the niche site. Here we are at a site known as cloudwards.com. This is all about cloud storage. So it specifies a topic. It focuses on cloud storage and it gives you a list of reviews of multiple cloud storage services out there. It allows you to compare personal and business-based cloud storages. So again, it focuses very, very specifically on a specific category. So if somebody out there is looking to see what the best cloud storage service for them is, they find a site like this that focuses on it and it gives all the information in multiple areas about cloud storage. So this is a really great use case example of a niche website here that focuses primarily on one specific topic and creates content based off of that. Now, another idea here would be, again, branching off of that niche website. We talked about Amazon-based sites. So here we are at a site called kitchenfaucetdivas.com. This is all about kitchen faucets and literally all about kitchen faucets. So again, another very, very specific topic that multiple people out there may be looking for. They may be looking for a new kitchen faucet. And this focuses on reviews and a buyer's guide. But if you look closely here, for example, this is a new review that they've posted here on the top-rated kitchen faucet. You'll see they give their full review here. They give content based off of it, the style, the durability, in-depth thoughts, and post about it. But if you look here, it says check current price. This will take me to an Amazon link that surely they get affiliate links for. So if I was to buy through their link here, they get a affiliate purchase, or they get a commission, I should say. So again, this is an example of an Amazon-based site. Craigslist, of course, we mentioned, of a classified ad section. So this is relevant to wherever you may live. You can change locations here, of course. But this will basically show you things going on in your community. You can see services based around housing. You can see jobs that are being offered. You can see things that are for sale, again, related to specific categories and or specific services that are offered in this specific region. So again, Craigslist, local listing services, again, another example of a type of website available out there. Last but not least, we talked about local businesses. Local businesses, of course, have websites all focused on their service or thing that they may be offering. Here, for example, is a family-owned service in Texas, Austin, Texas, that focuses on air conditioning and heating. So again, another example of one of the websites out there that you can create for a living. This focuses on obviously something that is offered in a specific region, Texas, that is all about air conditioning, AC, and heating. So these are just some examples, of course, of the websites that we talked about, the different types available out there, just to kind of give a face to a name here. That all being said, the main site we will be focusing on is a niche authority site. From there, I will give even more pointers and resources that you'll need to build the other types of sites that we just kind of referenced and showcased, which would be much more straightforward once you understand the basic and core concept of website development in itself. So again, once you understand the core concept of all of this, it's then much more easier to build a coupon site, a classified ad site, a niche site, whatever it is that you want to go out there and build. That all being said, we hope you enjoyed this module on building websites for a living. Keep in mind, you're free to review the past modules, of course, and be sure to check out the next module where we're going to be talking all about niche research. Thanks for watching.